Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Goldwing Docs. It's been a little while since I posted a video. Lots of changes have been going on. Before we get to that, I want to show you this. This is a thermal imaging camera, infrared camera. This was popularized by the company FLIR, which you would see like night vision on helicopters and so on. That's exactly what this does. It's a handheld camera. I don't know if I can open it. So it's a handheld camera, and you can point it at things, you can take pictures or video, and it has a screen on the back, so you can basically look and see the temperature of things. I've done a review on one of these before. You can point it at engines and see if all the cylinders are the same temperature. You can point it at wiring and see if you have a wire that's overheating. It's a very useful thing. These used to be thousands of dollars. They're no longer thousands of dollars, but they are hundreds of dollars, and this one is our contest giveaway for the month of August. So if you have not yet gone to GoldwingDocs.com and signed up for the contest, hey, you should do that right now. I'll put a link to it in the description below, and every time you post a message on the Goldwing Docs Forum, you get another entry to win this. And it's free, so why wouldn't you do it? Go on and do that right as soon as this video is over. Okay, so now what this video is about. I sold my Goldwing, so it's gone, so is my trailer. Goldwing Docs, of course, lives on. I have no intention of giving up Goldwing Docs because it's been a great resource for the Goldwing community. I still have lots of information and help to impart to that community, and I'm hoping that you'll stick with me. I gotta say, in the last month, we've seen more traffic on the Goldwing Docs Forum site and on this YouTube channel than I've ever seen before. So maybe I should sell things more often. In any case, so I've had a lot of people say, well, you sold your 1500. Have you bought an 1800? What did you buy? What did you buy? Everybody wants to know what I bought. I had a few people say, well, he's driving a little convertible now, and that's not the case. I've actually had this for quite a while. Yes, this is a fun vehicle, but it's not replacing my motorcycle. I did post a quick little teaser in the forum. I said, well, I'm not going to tell you what I bought, but I will say that it is an air-cooled trike built in Milwaukee. And well, I got a lot of flack for that. I got some people that were like, what are you talking about? Did you go to the dark side? And then we're not talking tires here. Well, kind of, not really. I did buy an air-cooled trike. Yes, it was built in Milwaukee. I had, surprisingly, only one person on the forum who actually messaged me and guessed what it is that I bought. So, no, it is not a Harley trike. What I bought is this. This is my Cozy Mark IV. As some of you may know, I have been a licensed commercial multi-engine instrument-rated pilot for over 30 years. And I bought an airplane. So this is my new toy. It's somewhat faster than my Goldwing. I can cruise around 200 miles an hour. I have just around a little bit more than 1,000 miles range. It's fast, it's fun, it's a learning curve, to be sure. I won't bore you because I know everybody here is all about motorcycles, and that's what you're here to see, but I just thought I would share what it is that has been taking up my time for the last few months. I do have a new YouTube channel set up. I wasn't going to do one, but I've had several people say, hey, are you going to do an airplane YouTube channel? So I've had enough people ask me that I decided, okay, I'll set one up. And so I did set a channel up, and I called it Canard Boulevard. I'll put a link to it up here and in the description below if you want to head on over there. You can see the stuff that I'm going to be posting about this airplane, and maybe you want to subscribe to that channel as well. So this is a Canard. So as you can see, wings in the back, the main wing, engine propeller in the back. This is a Canard. It's in the front. It's a bit different. It flies different. It's extremely efficient, and that means it goes fast on not a lot of fuel. Like I said, cruises about 200 miles an hour. It's IFR capable, 4 seats. You can take 4 people with full fuel. It's a great airplane. I'm still definitely learning it, but I'm going to get there, and I hope maybe you will come along on the journey with me as I learn and fly my new toy over on Canard Boulevard. That's my new YouTube channel. Go check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.